Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the Band application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here in the settings section you can find the language button under the appearance. Click that, and here you can find different languages, for example Hungarian, Portuguese, Polski, Korean and others, and just select one and click that, and if you finish, click to the done button and you can use this language. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.